Welcome! If you want to let people message your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps you need to follow after the recent update, making it easy for anyone to contact your page directly. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything related to your Facebook experience. Now look for the section called How People Can Find and Contact You. This is where you can adjust who can reach out to your page and how they do it. Click to enter this section. Inside, you'll see an option labeled Allow People to Message Your Page. If this setting is turned off, people won't be able to send your page a message. To enable messaging, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. Once you do this, anyone visiting your page will see the option to send you a message, making it much easier for fans, customers, or followers to get in touch with you. That's it! You've now enabled messaging for your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. This quick update ensures you never miss a message from someone interested in what you offer, and it helps build stronger connections with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your social media. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.